All right, we've got one in the shop now. So I'm gonna get this unboxed, get it plugged in and running, and we're gonna start running some parts on it right away. We've got some orders to fill that need the larger build volume, and we need to get this going ASAP. So I'm gonna get this up there. I'm gonna not video it because I'm by myself, and it's a heavy guy. So back with some more once we've got it on the shelf. Got the outer box off. Got some accessories here. Looks like an extra nozzle, some lubrication, various pieces. Haven't opened that up yet. Toolbox. Yep, for the most part, the usual Bambu included things. Extra, like nozzle wipe, or yes, yeah. Extra nozzle, got an extra 0.4 nozzle. So that's always nice to have extra nozzles on hand. Most Bambus come with a 0.6 nozzle, it's a separate one. So also have a camera privacy cover. Interesting. Seems to be magnetic. And nozzle blockers. So extra little nozzle cutters there. Filament cutters and a scraper blade. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, we got it plugged in, powered on, everything's connected. So I have one piece of tape to remove here. Haven't even done anything with it yet. Let's see if we can do the Wi-Fi later. But here's the look of it. Got everything cleaned out. One thing I never saw in other videos is just how massive this print head is. It is a big boy. I would say it's almost twice the size, which, you know, would make sense with the dual extrusion and whatnot, but twice the size of an X1 carbon head. But it's just not, it got me off guard a little bit. Nothing wrong with it. It feels pretty lightweight, but that was something I hadn't seen in other videos. Got the light bar down here, status light bar, heat bed, and we're gonna get it rolling. So everything seems good so far. I haven't seen any build quality issues yet. So I know some people in the early units had some build quality problems, but I haven't seen anything on this unit so far. Top vent there. One quick note, so it asks you to verify these screws here marked in red. So they did get removed, but I think they need to update the instructions. They were removed in an earlier step. So these two are marked in red. So these ones come off that rear Z-axis. The ones up here, there's no marking, but they go in that hole down there. There's a shot there. And there's no red on them. So that's a little bit interesting. So you can see the holes where the other two went in there. So quick note on that. The guide is slightly incorrect because the two front screws are not marked in red. All right, starting up the calibration here. Probably won't run the entire calibration, but let's see if anything interesting happens in the first few minutes here. All right, the bed moves. Success. I'm gonna grab that foam out of there while it lifts up. The head moving. It's checking everything there. I don't know the purpose of those movers there. Oh, those are the filament cutters. Just realized that. So we're gonna reach in here and grab this foam from underneath. And that was the last bit. All right. I'll check back after the calibration's done. All right, we got it all set up and ready to go. So we're gonna get a print run in here and see how the first pass quality comes out right out of the box. Looks like it needs to checked PTFE. Cool. Recommends trimming it. I probably actually will do that in just a moment. Okay.